This is the Dewalt DCD805 18-volt brushless combi drill. It is compatible with all Dewalt 18-volt XR and power stack batteries. Now this tool was released alongside the power stack range of batteries, which you can find a full video about in the description below. Now overall, the main point of power stack is to still get maximum performance that you've come to see from Dewalt, but into a smaller space, which is what you can also see with this combi drill. This is compact. When paired with a power stack battery, it's going to be much easier to lift above your head or work in smaller spaces. But like I said, you are still getting the power and control that you've come to expect from Dewalt combi drills. This thing delivers up to 90 Newton meters of torque, so like they've said before, this is guaranteed tough. And Dewalt have given you maximum control with this tool, with 15 torque settings on the collar, 2 speed modes and a variable speed trigger, so you'll be able to get your power as precise as possible, no matter the application. Now this thing runs off of a brushless motor, meaning that you're going to be getting a more efficient tool, and this will require much less maintenance. You also have a bright 3-mode LED job light on the base of the drill, and it pivots so you can adjust the angle of the light when needed, and so you can work easily and flexibly. That's not a word.
It is.
Is it?
Yeah.
Flexibly. And so you can work easily and flexibly in low light environments. And some of you may be thinking flexibly, that's not a word, but it is. We looked it up, flexibly is a word, and that is what we're sticking with. We're hearing more and more that tools are getting smaller and more powerful at the same time, and the Dewalt DCD805 is a perfect example of exactly that, especially when paired with the power stack battery system, but is just as effective with any Dewalt 18-volt battery. It's available now at its.co.uk.